Hello friends, welcome back to Easily Learning. Today we are diving into the XLOOKUP formula in Excel. If you are still stuck using VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP, this video is going to be a game changer for you. Okay, let's get started. So, what is XLOOKUP? Think of it as VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP combined. It's smarter, more flexible, and fixes all the headaches of the old lookup function. The best part, it works both vertically and horizontally, with exact match by default. Before we jump into examples, here's the XLOOKUP syntax. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Here's what this part means. Lookup value. The value you are looking for. Lookup array. The range where Excel will search for the value. Return array. The range from which you want Excel to pull the result. Other arguments are optional. If not found, a message like not found if there's no match. Match mode. Exact match, closest match, or wildcard match. Search mode. Search top to bottom or bottom to top. Now let's see it in action. Before we dive into XLOOKUP, let's make it more dynamic by setting up a dynamic dropdown list for our lookup values. This will help avoid errors and make your spreadsheet more interactive and user-friendly. First, let's convert your data into a table. First, select your range and pressing Ctrl+T. Click OK to confirm. Why a table? It automatically updates as you add new data. Next, select the cell where you want the dropdown. Go to the Data tab and click on Data Validation. In the Data Validation dialog box, choose List under Allow. For the source, select your range. Click OK and done. Your dynamic dropdown list is ready. Test it by adding a new product to your table. The dropdown will automatically include it. No extra steps needed. Instead of typing values manually, you can now pick one from the list. Finally, we'll use this dropdown in our XLOOKUP formula to dynamically fetch values. Let's see how it works in our example. Here's a simple example. I have a table with products and their prices. Let's find the price of a product using XLOOKUP. Select the cell and type this formula. In this formula, D3 is our lookup value that we are looking for. A2 is our lookup array. I am looking for value in column A. B2 to B10 is our return array. I want the corresponding price from column B. Finally, press enter and boom, the price appears. Easy, right? Now let's see how XLOOKUP works with horizontal data. Select the cell and type this formula. Here, I am looking for value in the header row B1 to J1. I want the corresponding sales figure from the second row B2 to J2. Press enter and done. XLOOKUP works seamlessly with horizontal data. But what if the product isn't in the list? With XLOOKUP, you can add a custom message for that. At the end of this formula, just type product not found inside the quotation marks. Press enter. Now, instead of an ugly error, Excel will display this custom message if the value isn't found. It's perfect for making your spreadsheet look professional. Let's talk about the match mode parameters in XLOOKUP. By default, XLOOKUP uses an exact match. But what if you want to find the closest match or use wildcard characters? So, what are wildcards? Wildcards are special characters that help you search for partial matches in Excel. There are two main wildcards you need to know. Asterisk represents any number of characters. Question mark represents a single character. XLOOKUP supports these wildcards, but you need to set the match mode to enable wildcard matching. Here's our example dataset. I have a list of products and their prices. Now, let's say I want to type a partial product name like MO in cell D2 and Excel will display the corresponding price in cell E2. Just type this formula. Here ampersand combines the text in cell D2 with an asterisk wildcard. If you type MO in cell D2, Excel will search for any product starting with MO. If Excel doesn't find a match, it will display not found instead of an error. 2. This is the match mode that enables wildcard matching. Now press enter and Excel finds motherboard and return 110. If you have multiple matches, XLOOKUP will return the first match it finds. To get the last match, you can add a search mode of -1. Just edit the formula and type -1. Press enter. It searches from bottom to top and return the last match. So, when should you use XLOOKUP? Here are the top cases. When you need to replace outdated functions like VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. When you need to search both vertically and horizontally. When you want a cleaner, error-free spreadsheet with custom matches. When working with dynamic data that changes often. That's the power of XLOOKUP. It's smarter, faster, and make your Excel life so much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more time-saving Excel tips. Drop a comment below with your favorite Excel function. I did love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.